Good afternoon. I am coming to you from a very blustery and cold Mobile, Alabama. Believe it or not, the temperatures are only in the 30s. Ooh, it's cold here. Alright, if you're new to the channel, my name is Dan. We do a lot of travel on our channel. We also do a lot of hotel reviews. I've got a playlist of all of those that I will link to this video. We're here at the Tru Hotel by Hilton here in Mobile, Alabama. We're gonna go inside and get checked in, get out of this freezing cold, windy weather. But I'm also gonna show you what this room looks like, what this hotel has to offer. So come along with us, let's go make some memories. First things first, from the parking lot over here, you see the building itself here. It's 4 stories tall. There's a baseball stadium back here, and the name of the road that this was off of was Satchel Paige. So, those of you familiar with Satchel Paige, a very famous Hall of Famer baseball player. I don't know what that stadium is, if it has any sort of significance at all. Hopefully at some point during my stay here, I'll get a chance to drive over there when it's actually light out. So seeing outside right here, we have a nice seating area here. You can actually, I don't know if they give you checkers, but you can play checkers here. They've got ashtrays here, so I guess this is kind of like their smoking area, I suppose. Yep, somebody's been smoking. Very nice little seating area. It doesn't have a cover, unfortunately, so if it's raining, you cannot enjoy this at all. And like a day like today where it's freezing cold, it's 40, right now it's 44 degrees and the wind chill's in the 30s. So no, that's why no one's sitting out here. It's a beautiful day, it's just cold. Nice little seating area, as these Tru hotels usually typically have. And I'm actually coming in the back entrance. Elevators are right there. They've got boards here where they link some stuff, some history of the area, places to go eat, bars, local things to know, that kind of stuff. And when you come this way, they've got a filtered water machine, they've got ice machine, ice buckets, cups, you can get water. A 24-hour fitness center in here, where they've got steppers, treadmills, a Peloton machine, which is actually plugged in. I don't really know how to use a Peloton, but that's pretty cool. I know how to ride a bike, I just don't know how to use a Peloton. They've got weights in here, they've got some free weights. They've got kettlebells, they've got balls. Everyone likes lifting around giant balls. Well, they've got them. If that's what you're looking for, they got them here in Mobile. They've got a weight bench so you can sit and do a workout. They've got a place where you can get wipes to wipe down your machines. They've got plenty of towels, plenty more towels up there. It's small gym, but it gets the job done if you need to get your steps in, because on a cold day like today, you don't want to do it outside. You can walk the treadmill, ride the bike, lift some weights, burn off all that good food you've eaten down here in Alabama. They do have restrooms down here as well. Looks like there's 2 right here, which is kind of cool. This might just be all rooms, I'm not sure. I don't know where they went. They might have went in the little private bathroom. Yeah, it's just the exit. Here's kind of like the breakfast area. They got a pool table here. They got the cool mural on the wall. Plenty of places to sit, stuff on TV. Got some books for kids to read. They got like a cornhole type game. They got some other games down here. And this is kind of like that's the breakfast area all against that wall. And then they've got a little store here where you can buy stuff. They got a coffee station. Oh, no. Everything you could want for coffee. Alright, so you do have a lot of seating down here. And then underneath the seats down here, they actually have outlets and USBs, so you can charge your devices while you're down here. They've got these cool chairs we've seen at the other Tru hotels we've stayed at. Check out those videos if you haven't seen them already. Plenty of places to sit. Nice couch here. And then look who's hanging out in this hotel. Check this out. Santa's here with us. And he's even wearing a Tru Hotel shirt, and he's wearing his name tag. Good job, Santa. Good work. And then we kind of got like a business center over here where you can log onto the internet if you need to. They've got pens. They've got pens that are actually marketed for Tru. They've got maps of the downtown area, which is nice. They've got the computer and they've got a printer, and then a few more little like cove type places where you can sit, which is kind of cool.
Okay, so we are in floor 3. It seems like the reviews are just kind of starting to be my thing because I'm so darn picky. But yeah, let's go check out this room and see if it's clean. They have good reviews, so let's see. This is floor 3. This floor does have ice, and she said that to me, which makes me think that maybe not all floors have ice. So the downstairs will have some, and this one does too. Here's the ice, and they have cups, and they have buckets and a trash can. And we are in room 307, and that is right here. A little bit down the hall on the left. All right, here we go. So, okay, there's already some, I don't know how long this hotel has been here, but there is a couple marks on the walls and stuff like that. There's your sink and counter, a nice mirror. They have this little makeup remover, some Kleenex, tissues, a hairdryer, a toilet. I mean, immediately looking off the bat, it has been worn down a little bit. Like, it looks a little dirty. If I do some deep cleaning in there, I'm sure it does come out a little dirty. Oh, sorry, wrong way. But they have the conditioner, the body wash, and the shampoo, and it looks like all of them have, except the conditioner, which is pretty low, but we don't use that much of it, so it's fine. And then, yeah, so looks pretty clean. There's some hairs and stuff, not too major. It happens when you're wiping down with something. I do like hardwood floor and tiles. They have a full mirror here, and across from that, they have this little mini fridge that seems to be working. It feels cold in there. That's good. It's tiny. There is no microwaves in these hotels. They have an ironing board. There's no closet either. An ironing board and iron, and then some places to hang up with some hangers. And then we have all these 6 hooks here. Nope, 5. Sorry, miscounted. 5. And then we have the wastebasket. This nice long area where we could put our luggage or sit or store stuff down there if you need it. A nice big TV. Then we have this desk chair, which I don't know if you guys can see, has quite a few stains on it. I am so picky about this stuff. Like, I wouldn't sit there. And a desk. And then they have the AC. The AC wasn't working at the beginning. We thought we were gonna have to move rooms, but it did eventually start kicking in. I don't think we have much of a view outside. Let's see. No, absolutely dark outside. Then we have the 2 queen size beds. There is a lot of lights. This is like level lighting too, which is nice. And then they have these on the side as well of the bed, which you could leave on and off. Let's see. I will check the cleanliness. Because we're Hilton Honor members, they did give us bottled water. Sometimes they give us snacks. They didn't do that this time. We have this desk. Nothing is closed. Everything is open concept. They have these lights here as well. The phone and a clock with some more plugs in there, outlets. It has a couple of stains there. It doesn't look like it's anything serious, but I won't be using that one. And let's see. Bed looks clean on this side. No yucky stains that I can tell. Check this pillow out. All right, so far, that bed was good. So we don't walk barefoot on the floor. I'm picky about that too. Hope you guys don't hate me too much. I'm the one you don't want to listen to. You're like, oh, she's one of those. I am. I admit it. Let's see. This side, this one looks good as well. Yeah. And the pillows seem, most of them seem soft. It's like the big one is a little tougher, but that's good. yeah, depending on which style you like. You might not notice it here, but there is something gross and sticky like right there where the light is hitting it right now, and there's literally something sticky right there with hair in it, and right there. So I did bring wipes because that's just me, so I will wipe it down and tell you if it was like really disgusting. I'll come back and mention it, but if not, just assume it was clean. Doesn't look too bad, so hopefully it's just like one little fluke, a one miss. But that's it. That's the hotel room. It is open concept. There's not much to see. It isn't huge or anything, but there is plenty of places to store things, and we will show you breakfast at some point and tell you what our experience was overall.
Good morning, and yes, it's still chilly here in Mobile, Alabama. Whew. Why is it that every time I come here it seems like it's cold? I don't know, I guess I need to start traveling more in the summer here. Anyway, to wrap up our quick visit here at the Tru Hotel, just to give a couple final thoughts. Negatives. One thing that we noticed over the course of our stay was that the walls are very, very thin. We could literally hear people in the room next to us talking. Couldn't quite make out the words, but you could tell the cadence and everything of the people that were talking. It was like, it kind of looks like Charlie Brown's teacher, you know, wah, 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 but you could hear him clear as day. The stomping, we were on the 3rd floor up there. Whoever was above us, don't know if it was the same guests all 3 nights or different guests. Either way, all we heard was stomp, 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 day and night. It was kind of annoying. We always travel with a fan to try and drown out some of the noise, and that helps, thank God. Otherwise, I don't know if any of us would have got any sleep. Positives I had, like the water pressure in the shower, the heat of the water in the shower to be able to take a hot shower, excellent, excellent. The staff that we encountered at this hotel, everybody's been pretty friendly. As far as the staff goes, I wanted to give a special shout out to the general manager of the property, Friday. I had a pleasure of talking with her the other morning for probably about a good 15-20 minutes, talking about YouTube, talking about the city of Mobile, the food around here, things to do, stuff like that. She, if you come to this hotel, definitely reach out to her. She's more than willing to give you recommendations for where to eat, where to go, things to do, that kind of stuff. Very positive person. Much enjoyed our conversation, so thank you for that. Thank you for everything during the stay here. So we're getting ready to hit the road, head back to Florida. But just wanted to give a couple of final thoughts. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you like our hotel stay videos, we do have a playlist on the channel with all of them listed, and they're not in any kind of order or anything like that. What I mean by that is wherever we stay, whether it's in California, Florida, Alabama like we're at today, up in Vermont, we always do hotel room videos, because we hope that you find these helpful, because I know when you're doing research on like TripAdvisor, stuff like that, but if you search the hotel just in Google and you do a search for, like, once this video's up, you'll see Tru Hotel Mobile, and you click on Google on videos, our video should show up somewhere, and that way you can actually see an actual video instead of just reading text that somebody wrote. And sometimes when you read text, it's how you take it. So sometimes you're too overthinking what people write. Sometimes people are good at expressing themselves, but in video form, you're able to see what is out there. You know what I mean? If that makes more sense. You're actually able to physically see the room, physically see the hotel, other than just in pictures or in type. So, all right, so thanks you guys so much for watching. Safe travels. Heading back to Florida, which I would say heading back to warm Florida, but right now we heard Florida's in the 30s as well. Probably in a couple days it'll be back in the 80s, I'm sure. That's Florida weather for us this time of year. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. We'll see you soon.